Hi guys, this is Ate Dap. So to apply PR, permanent residency through PNP, dalawang gagawin mo. You must receive a nomination from province or territories, and then pangalawa, submit an official application to the federal and then federal government. So kailangan mo makareceive ng nomination from the province or territories na a province nominates you a foreign national for PR na meron kang skills, work experience, education na makakontribute sa province economy. And then pangalawa, submit an application. So once you have the nomination, so kung meron ka ng nomination, pwede ka na mag-submit ng official application to the government. And then application process must be, dapat siya guys paper based kasi it involves siya og submitting physical documents. So paper based mo siya i-submit. So dalawa lang kailangan mo. You must receive nomination from the province or territories, and then pangalawa yung submit an official application to the federal government. So yun, so kung manominate ka, big sabihin nun, meron kang certification from the government, from the province, that is automatically 600 points added to your sa express entry points based system. So yun po.